Bless up.
Woo! Go! Gang! Family, what's going on with y'all? Yo, for today, I'm coming back at y'all with another jerseys video. You did what I'm saying. Hey, look. Finally took down the Christmas tree, bro. I took it down. No more Christmas shit. I took down my the snowman off my door yesterday. You feel me? Yeah, I got everything taken down. Like I said, I would've been having my Christmas tree, took it down, but you know, nigga got lazy. I should've just took it down when I planned on taking it down on December 26th type shit, but somebody convinced me to keep it up, and then I done got lost in the sauce and just kept that shit up, you dig what I'm saying? If you are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, that like button for the kid, you dig what I'm saying? Make sure you follow me on all social medias, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. All those links are in the description of this video, you dig me? Anyways, but we here to talk about these Black Cat 4s. I'm sure you already know by now that the Black Cat 4s are re-releasing, right? But I'm just here to inform you guys that they might be releasing just a tad bit earlier on the sneakers app. They are set to originally release January 25th, right? So that's a Saturday. But when I look on the sneakers app, I was like, wait, why the fuck does the sneakers app say January 22nd? So that's a Wednesday. And I'm like, why the fuck are they releasing it? Why? It's supposed to be the 25th. And then it's so many dates out there, but assuming that the sneaker app might release them on, you know what I'm saying, through the sneakers app on that date, if you know, order your shoes and shit. Like me, I order my shit. I never go inside the store and get my shit. I never do that. I don't do that anymore. I just I just do it online. Like I don't buy my shoes from in the store no more. I get it off the sneakers app if anything. But just let y'all niggas know though, man. Let me just show y'all young niggas real quick, you feel me? right here, bro. You see, like, it's a Black Cats right here, right? Black Cat 4s, and for $190 on January 22nd at 10 o'clock, like always, you feel me? But, like I'm saying though, bro, like, I don't know, but I'm pretty sure, I don't know if they fucked off and forgot to change the date or whatever. Shit, god damn it. Goddamn oven, man. I'm gonna put 5 more minutes because I know that shit ain't done, bro. I know that shit ain't done. Ain't no way. But anyways, I might be copping the Black Cat 4s just due to the fact for a nostalgic purpose. I mean, these first day released back in 06. These were like one of my first pairs of Jordans, the Black Cat 4s. So it would be dope to, you know, re-get them. And the thing is, I think at the time I had got them too small, you feel me? Cause I bought them for my friend. I think it was like a half a size too small. I bought them off my homie for like some cheap shit, and then he like let me get them. And like, but the missus was too small, but nigga, I was still, it was middle school, so I was still, you know what I mean, shoving my foot in them, bro. Cause I remember, bro. I think I was wearing a size 9 or some shit, and then and he was wearing an 8.5, and God, I said, fuck it, I need him. So I was fucking putting my foot in the shoes first of all. So I had to take out, that was like the first time I ever took out soles in the shoe type shit, you feel me? But yeah, man, so I might cop them, man. I might bring y'all niggas a fire ass review, you did what I'm saying? So y'all niggas just stay tuned to the channel. And I already know the ins and outs. I see a lot of videos already. Niggas got Black Cat 4s early or whatnot, so I ain't gonna go over no too crazy of a review like right now. Like, I just wanna let y'all niggas know just to be aware if you're a nigga that gets shoes online, maybe on the sneakers app, that shit dropping on the 22nd of this month. That is it, you did what I'm saying, man. Y'all niggas stay humble, stay blessed. If y'all new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, you dig? It is the one and only MajorKixx.
Hate and say we changing, look, we made it.